Hello students, today we will learn about input and output devices. Let us first talk about computer system. A computer is a machine that works on electricity. It can be compared to a magic box that can do a variety of jobs. Computers are not confined to offices only. They can be seen everywhere around us, such as at shops, schools, hospitals, banks, airports, railway stations, etc. They work very fast and give 100% accurate results. Definition: a computer is an electronic device that accepts data and instructions given by the user, processes them accordingly, and gives meaningful results. A computer system performs three basic functions: input, processing, and output. The computer system works with the help of hardware and software. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch and see are called computer hardware. Software is a set of instructions that helps the hardware to work in a desired manner. Hardware and software are interdependent. Without software, a computer cannot work. Similarly, if hardware is not there, software is of no use. This can be understood with the help of an example. To listen to music, we require a music system, CDs or DVDs. These are hardware because we can touch them. Can you touch the songs? No, because those are software. Therefore, we need both the hardware and the software to enjoy the music. The main components that carry out the basic operations of a computer are keyboard, mouse, CPU, and monitor. Students, know the important fact that CPU and other computer hardware components are attached to the motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer system. Besides these components, some additional parts can also be attached to a computer. These additional parts are known as peripherals of a computer. Example: printer, scanner, web camera, and so on. Students, who is he? He is Vinod Dham, popularly known as the father of Pentium for his contribution in the development of the Pentium processor from Intel. Okay, students, now we will talk about input devices. The devices through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. The most commonly used input device is the keyboard. The other input devices are mouse, trackball, and light pen, which do not require typing to input data. They are called pointing devices. We can select any item on the screen by pointing and clicking on it. Common input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to enter data and instructions into the computer by typing. A standard keyboard has 104 keys, which can be divided into 4 groups: typing keys, alphabet keys, and numeric keys. Function keys: F1 to F12. Navigation keys: arrow keys, home, end, page up, page down, etc. And control keys: Control, Alt, Windows logo key, and escape. Who is he? He is Sir Christopher Latham Sholes, is regarded as the inventor of QWERTY keyboard layout. Mouse. A mouse is a handheld pointing device with 2 buttons on its top. It is used to control the movement of a pointer to select the objects and to open files or folders. A mouse is also used to draw pictures. Who is he? He is Dr. Engelbart, the inventor of the computer mouse. A magic mouse is a multi-touch mouse which was designed in 2009. Students, note that a trackball is similar to a mouse and can be used in its place. It has a ball on its top. To move the pointer on the screen, roll the ball with your finger. Microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. Sound cards enable the computer to record sound input from a microphone connected to the computer. Apart from recording sound in the computer, a microphone is used in many applications, such as telephones, tape recorders, karaoke system, hearing aids, etc. More input device. Touchpad. On a laptop computer, the touchpad is used instead of a mouse. It is a touch-sensitive pad. We can control the movement of the pointer on the screen by moving the finger on the touchpad. Touch screen. Touch screen is a computer screen which is sensitive to the touch. We can select the objects directly by touching with fingers without using any pointing device. Example, tablets, laptop, ATM, cell phone, etc. Light pen. A light pen is a pen-like pointing device. It is used to select objects on the display screen. It is quite similar to a mouse, except that it allows the users to point to the objects displayed on the screen or draw directly on it. Light pen is only used with CRT monitors. It is mainly used by engineers, fashion designers, or architects. It is a costly device. Scanner. It is a device that reads the text or pictures printed on a paper and translates the information into a form that computer understands. The most commonly used scanner is the flat bed scanner that has a flat tray with a glass pane and a covering lid, similar to a photostat machine. 3 types of scanner: flat bed scanner, sheet fed scanner, handheld scanner. Students note that the barcode scanner is used to scan the printed barcodes present on the various products. It can be seen in shops, malls, etc. Digital camera. Digital camera is used to take photographs and record videos. Photos or videos taken with a digital camera are stored in a memory chip inside the camera. Then the digital camera is plugged into the computer and the images or videos are transferred to the computer for storing, editing, printing, etc. Web camera. A web camera is a device connected to the computer for capturing still images and live videos. It is primarily used to share pictures and have live chat with our friends and relatives using internet. Okay, now let us learn about output devices. Output devices are used to display the data that we enter into a computer and the results that we get after processing. Monitor. The most common output device is monitor. It looks like a television. The output that we get on a monitor is called a soft copy. There are 3 types of monitors. CRT monitor. CRT monitors are generally less expensive but consume more electricity. Both CRT and LCD monitors produce sharp images, but LCD monitors have the advantage of being much thinner, lighter, and consume less electricity. The third type of monitors are LED monitors. These monitors look more or less same as LCD monitors. They have better picture quality and are more in demand than LCDs. Speakers. Speakers are the output devices used to listen to music and sound effects from the computer. They may be built into the system unit or connected with cables to CPU. Printer. It is an important part of a computer system. It prints the output onto paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet, and laser printers. The dot matrix printer works like a typewriter and creates the impression by striking on the paper. It is very noisy and do not produce high quality output. Dot matrix printers are not so common nowadays. They give output only in black and white. The inkjet printer sprays droplets of ink on paper to form the text and graphics. It is ideal for routine business work and personal documents. It can give output both in black and white and in color. It produces high-quality prints when used with special paper. The laser printer uses laser beams and dry ink to print. It is used mainly in publishing houses. It prints very fast and gives high-quality output. It works like a photocopier. The laser printers cost more than inkjet printers. Students know the fact that the laser printer was invented at Xerox in 1969 by Gary Starkweather. Okay, let's know more. The multifunction printer is an office machine which not only prints but also scans, produces photocopies, and faxes the document. This type of printer is also known as all-in-one printer. Let us do an activity using printer for better concept clarity. Open MS Paint and draw a scenery. Fill colors in it and save the file. Click on the Paint button and select the Save option and specify the file name. Click on the Paint button and select the Paint option. Specify the number of copies either by typing the number or by clicking the up or down arrow. By default, all options is selected under Paint range. You can select any desired option. Click on the Print button. Now let us talk about processing device, central processing unit. In a human body, the brain has an important role to play. The activities that we perform are the results of signals that we receive from our brain. Likewise, CPU is the brain of a computer where it processes and stores the information, performs calculations, and sends the result to the output devices. It performs all the jobs that we order it to do. It is also known as the system unit. Students, can you tell me which unit is called the brain of a computer? The CPU has three main parts. Number 1, MU, memory unit. This unit stores information temporarily or permanently according to our need. Number 2, ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. This unit performs all arithmetic calculations and logical operations. Number 3, CU, control unit. The control unit works like a traffic policeman and manages all the operations of a computer. Input device, memory unit, control unit, ALU, output device. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. A computer system performs three basic functions: input, processing, and output. The physical parts of a computer that can be touched and seen are called hardware. Software is a set of instructions that enables the hardware to work in a desired manner. Devices through which we enter data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. Devices that display input and result, which we get after processing, are called output devices. A CPU has three parts: memory unit, MU, arithmetic and logical unit, ALU, and control unit, CU.
Do you want to learn or test? Press Learn.